This is to inform all the drivers, all the Chalaks from Ranka to Gangtok. This JCB is under progress, and the bridge is closed. And is to inform all the drivers from Ranka to Gangtok that you may not take this route here at Jhakri Falls, because the traffic police is guiding the vehicles, and as you can see, the JCB is under work, under construction of this bridge. And look at the condition of this bridge. It's closed right now, so people are walking. No vehicles are allowed to pass through this road, and the construction of this bridge is underway. This bridge itself is more than like 20 to 30 years old, so the government has neglected the construction of this bridge. The official says it may take up to like 7 hours. It'll be ready till 7 PM I think. Excuse me भैया, यो ब्रिज कति, हेलो, यो ब्रिज कति बजीसम्म रेडी हुन्छ होला? तपाईलाई थाहा छैन? So he doesn't know till when the bridge is gonna be ready. The people are in trouble, the vehicles are not allowed to pass through this bridge because this bridge is so damn old, and the new bridge right here is being constructed. It's under construction, which may take up to a year or even more than a year. So let me show you a clear view of this bridge. So even the workers, even the construction workers doesn't know how long it's gonna take for this bridge to be completed, or for this bridge to be repaired. It's rainy season in Sikkim, so the bridges and roads are frequently damaged, and the people from Ranka to Gangtok are in much trouble due to this unmaintained bridge neglected by the government. The cops are here, even the traffic police are here. Look at the JCB over there, right? The bridge itself is more than 20 to 30 years old, and the new bridge is being constructed, which may take up to a year or so to be completed. So this is it. This is the info I'm giving you, Chalaks. I'm giving you all drivers, so please don't take this route, take the new highway. It's closed. The people going to hospitals will have a hard time reaching hospital. This is the main route to Reshithang hospital, which is the largest hospital of Sikkim. I guess it's the second largest hospital in India, but the condition of the roads in Sikkim is very, very poor. So this is the material used for construction of a new bridge. So Right here is the spot where the new bridge will be constructed by SCAM government under Kalanana supervision. Just look at this area. So people from Ranka traveling to Gangtok or hospital, I request you all, I suggest you all, do not take this route because it's damaged. The pool, the bridge is damaged. The authorities say the authorities are telling us that the bridge will be repaired till 7 p.m., which is very, you know, long hours. So here's a crane for construction of the bridge. Closed. बन्द छ. यस्तोबाट जानुपर्छ. 7 बजी खोलिन्छ अरे. अझ यस्तो न्यू हाईवे, you may take the new highway road. उहाँबाट यस्तो जान्छ. न्यू हाईवे, त्यहाँबाट न्यू हाईवे, आदमपुल, then Mayfair, अन्त bypass. So people are, you know, in trouble. So people are, you know, U-turning from this. People don't know about this bridge being repaired. So thank you guys for watching.